Hey natural lifestyle seekers, it's Jennifer Gilman here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural hand sanitizer that works. My name is Jennifer Gilman and I own the Herbal Cabinet. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm a full-time holistic health coach, aromatherapist, and herbalist. And this channel is all about living an exceptional life naturally. So let's get started on the recipe. I'm going to go over the ingredients first, but keep in mind in the show notes you're going to find all the links as well as the actual recipe. We're going to start with a 4-ounce spray bottle. And if your bottle is larger or smaller, just adjust the recipe, right? So I like this one a lot. Notice I already labeled it, guys. Make sure you label everything you make because otherwise you won't know what's in the bottles. And then I like to make sure you get the amber bottle so that none of the ingredients in there break down. We want it to be as effective as possible, and that's the best way to ensure that, all right? Next ingredient is grain alcohol. Now we can get this in a lot of places, but this is my favorite. The reason is because it's organic, it's denatured, and it's kosher. Really clean grain alcohol. It's specifically for essential oils and any kind of projects and things that you make with essential oils so that it is the most effective. The next ingredient is actually the On Guard Protective Blend. I love this. So in the comments, if you are using On Guard essential oil right now, I want you to comment and tell us what you're using it for, because we're a community here, all right? So that's the question of the day. Tell us how you're using your On Guard essential oils so that we can help each other out. The final ingredient is purified water. We don't need much of it, but we want to make sure it's a nice clean water. We can use distilled water, but not city water. No city water, okay? All right, let's get started. So in that bottle, we're going to use, I've got my stainless steel funnel. Love this. There's a link for that too, because I know a lot of funnels are plastic and the essential oils can break down plastic. So we've got a stainless steel funnel that we put on top, and we're just going to put in all the ingredients. Now I pre-measured mine. Look how cool that you can kind of see the essential oils in there floating to the top, and sometimes they're a little weighted so you can see that it floats down a little bit, but that's already my grain alcohol, and the amount is 2 ounces. All right, in this 4-ounce bottle we're going to put 2 ounces of grain alcohol, 1 ounce of water, because we want to make sure that 2/3 of the bottle is the alcohol and 1/3 of the bottle is the water. Okay, so whatever size you use. So I already put that in here. I put my 30 drops of essential oil blend in here. Basically you're going to do 10 drops per ounce. All right, so now I'm just going to add that to the bottle through the funnel and pour that in there. Now this is optional, but if you want to make sure that your hands are staying a little bit soft, you can use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. And I will put in the show notes my favorite aloe vera so that you don't get anything adulterated. We want to make sure that your aloe vera, all of your ingredients are clean ingredients. So I put 1 tablespoon in that bottle just so that my hands stay soft, all right? And then you put the top on and you're going to use it. We're going to shake that up each time right before use, and it's all made ready to go. Now, how do you use this? You're going to use it everywhere you go. Anytime you're out and about, you're touching surfaces, anytime you come back in the home, you can spray your hands, all right? So I like to have a small bottle, a 1-ounce bottle pre-made in my bag at all times so that I'm using it, and then a larger bottle in the home, all right? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, go out today and live it exceptionally. Bye for now.